Hi guys, I'm Shmi, I'm out in Dubai, where today the Dubai police have released the latest car in their fleet of Dubai supercars. It's the Bugatti Veyron finally joining the fleet. Before now the flagship was the Aston Martin 177 Q Series, but sadly that's no longer part of the fleet. The Bugatti Veyron has taken its place. Surrounded here by a load of other supercars from the fleet, we've got the Audi R8 V10 Plus, Bentley Continental GT, Brabus G-Class, G63, I'm not sure. Then over there we've also got the Ferrari FF and the Nissan GTR, but the Bugatti Veyron, the star of today's show. Bugatti supercar activities are all about the Expo 2020 being held out here in Dubai. They have successfully won the rights to host that in 2020. But yes, so here is for the very first time the Dubai Police Bugatti Veyron, and that's quite a sight to behold, a Veyron with police lights and police wrap on the car itself. Very cool. All the cars gearing up to leave.
It's been great to have everyone here today, and do join us tomorrow for stage 3 of the Dubai Cycling Tour. We will be open here from 9 AM, so you can come here and join us.
So this is one police force you would not want to be chasing you down if you were running away. Don't mess with them here in Dubai. GTR would catch you anywhere. Not so many of these supercars have room though to transport you in the back if they're arresting you for something. Catching you for minor sort of traffic violations, more than fine. For keeping up and writing out tickets, I'm sure that's what it's all about. There we have it. What a sight. It's a tough job being the man who has to drive that Bugatti Veyron away for the Dubai police force, but someone's got to do it, hey? Anyway, make sure you subscribe to check out all the other videos I filmed of those cars here on a few other trips out here in Dubai. And of course, subscribe to Shmi150 for the latest supercar videos. But that's it for this time. I'll catch up with you again very soon.